So I think as learning professionals, we're in really a golden age where historically, for 5,000 years since the first Sumerian classroom, the answer pretty much to every skills challenge, performance challenge has been to design a course. The first step, design a course, whether that's a face-to-face course or an online course. What's now amazing is we have so many more tools available to us as learning professionals. It's from mobile apps, social, video, curation content, coaching, mentoring. There's so many different tools available to us as learning professionals. We can now look at that performance goal we're trying to create and then assemble the right set of interventions, tools, conversations, and content to allow us to design amazing learning experiences that don't just begin on a certain day and end on a certain day, but they live forever. So if we look at one particular continuous learning experience, and let's take customer service as an example. So what many organizations we're working with, what they would first do is maybe put inside that some of the curated knowledge around the foundation knowledge, the basics you need to do your job. The second thing that they may then do is to go across the organization and bottle the greatness of the best people. So who are the best people doing customer success against the process in the best absolute way, and using new videography techniques to capture those great concepts, as we're doing now, and make that available forever to anyone in both a curated formal fashion or a search in an instant when you've forgotten type fashion, every asset being reused. If we move on to maybe the next part of the continuous learning experience, you may also put in coaching, observation, and mentoring capabilities. So a senior customer service person could observe a junior person, at the time getting great feedback upon what they're good and bad at, live in the moment, and then during the coaching session, ask the person what commitments have changed based upon that feedback. And what the data allows you to do is to understand where it's working and where it's not working. And the great thing about all of this is in today's world, by putting that into one platform, into one learning experience platform, we can measure it all. We can measure the impact of learning activity, of continuous engagement, and actual behavioral change. And then intelligently, what we're now starting to see our customers do is correlate those new types of learning data directly with business impact to see where the changes and where the impact's being made and how much. So the great thing about learning experience platforms and learning ecosystems is the capability to not just curate content, but curate technology. The ability to easily plug in great new technologies as they come to market. Whether that's a VR technology that allows you to change implicit bias, or interactive videos, or psychometric profiling. Whatever comes to marketplace that is brilliant and amazing, that can help evolve that learning experience, learning ecosystems allow you to remain relevant.